In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this website right here that pays you for your opinion. So basically this website is called Respondent Dot Io, and I'm going to show you how to make $500 every single week on this website. Okay, so what you want to do once you come over to Respondent Dot Io, there are mainly two ways you can make money with this website. The first option is becoming a participant, which means you are going to be partaking in their research and you are going to be sharing your opinion with this website and you will be making money. The second option is by scrolling down to the bottom of this page right here and clicking on this refer friends right here. And if you open that on a new tab and scroll down, you are going to see right here, you are going to get paid $50 if you refer people to this website right here. So basically, those are the two main ways you can make money with Respondent.io. All right. So the first option, I'm going to show you how to make money by becoming a participant on this website. So what you want to do once you don't have an account, all you just need to do is click on get started right here. So once you do that, you want to click on this participant right here. As you can see, I want to earn money by participating in user research. So you want to click on this. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page right here, where literally all you just need to do is type in your basic information, your name, your last name, email, and then you will be able to create your account. Or you can sign up with LinkedIn or with your Facebook account. And if for some reason this website is not working in your country, all you just need to do is download a free VPN and you'll be able to connect to this website. All right. So basically now I'm going to create an account right now. So once you come over to this page, so it's going to bring you to this page right here where it's going to show your name, your last name, your email, password, and you are going to type in your phone number right here. And you want to send a verification code. Okay. All right. So as you can see right here, I just typed in the code that I received and you can see verified right here. Okay. So all you just need to do is click on continue right here. All right. Now they are going to ask you a bunch of questions right here. So all you just need to do is go through these questions right here. So once you're done with your registration, all you just need to do is click on complete right here. Okay, so once you click on complete, you can skip this or you can start it also. For now, I'm just going to skip all of this. As you can see, this is the referral section right here. All right, so if you scroll down here, you are going to also see right here, you can make money by referring people to this website right here. Okay, so basically now to apply for jobs, all you just need to do, as you can see, these are jobs that are available right here. Okay, you can see this one is going to pay you $50 for 45 minutes. All you just need to do is spend 45 minutes with this research right here and you'll be making $50. And also you can see this one right here, the same amount of time, 45 minutes, and this one is going to pay you $90 right here. Basically, you can see this is another job right here, $200 for basically about 2 hours right here. All right, so you can make money with this website right here as a researcher. Okay, so basically now I'm going to show you how to refer people and make money with this website if you don't want to apply for these jobs right here. All right, so now you can choose between any of this link right here. This one, all you just need to do is make people join this website right here, and if they earn $75, you make $20. So basically, if you refer 10 people and they make $75, so you have already made $200. All right, without doing nothing. Okay, and this one right here is going to pay you $50 as long as people complete a job on Respondent.io. So I'm going to take this one as an example right here. So now all you just need to do is go over to facebook.com. So once you come over to facebook.com, you can see right here there are a lot of groups that are related to making money online. All you just need to do is make sure you filter to groups. Once you search for make money online on Facebook, all right, you are going to see a lot of groups right here. All you just need to do is come over to these groups right here. All you just need to do is to create a post that looks like this. So all you just need to do is share an image of a payment proof from Respondent, something like this one right here. As you can see, Respondent, and send $166 to this person right here. So basically you can just type in a text as simple like this: earn money online taking 5-minute simple surveys. So now you want to go back and grab your link and you want to come over to this website to shorten your link. So once you paste in the link right here, all you just need to do is click on shorten right here. So once you've shortened the link, all you just need to do is copy the shortened link and you want to paste in the link right here. All right, and actually they can make money with 5-minute survey. So I'm going to show you. If you go back to this website right here and you click on the dashboard, So once you click on that, you come over to this filter section. You can see right here that they can choose the amount of time they want to work. You can see this is 5 minutes right here. So if I filter down to 5 minutes and I click on apply right here, all right, you can see this is a job that was posted 7 hours ago, $5 in 5 minutes. All right, so basically there are jobs like that. And if I increase it to maybe, let's say 25 minutes and I click on apply right here, you can see this is a 15-minute job right here that is going to pay $25. You can see this is another one right here, $100 for just 15 minutes. So basically you can make a lot of money by just taking these surveys right here. Okay, so now if you go back to Facebook, all you just need to do is type in something simple like this, and all you just need to do is click on post on Facebook. So once you do that, you want to repeat the same thing for all of these groups right here. Okay, so and I can guarantee you, if you keep at it, so many people are going to click on the link and come over to Respondent right here. And if they come over and sign up and apply for these simple jobs right here, you make money. And if they come over and join Respondent, they are going to make money on Respondent as well. And you are going to be making money in passive income. And another traffic source you can use is by coming over to Quora and typing how to make money online. You can see a lot of questions right here regarding making money online. All you just need to do is answer this question. You want to use the same script that I showed you earlier and paste it on Quora, and you want to repeat the same process for all of these questions right here, and you will be making money in passive income. All right, and also there's a tip I forgot to mention. Once you create your account, you want to make sure you fill out this section right here once you create your account. All right, and also another thing that I need to show you so that you don't get confused on how to make money with Respondent. Once you come over to this filter section right here, there are two types of projects right here. There are ones that require you to be with the researcher in person, and there are also some that doesn't require you meeting the researcher in person, which means you can apply for the survey from your home. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you click on this remote right here, and you want to click on apply. So once you click on that, you can see right here, these jobs right here, you don't have to show up in person. You can take these jobs right from your home, and once you complete these jobs right here, you are going to make $50 or whatever amount is shown on the job. As you can see an example right here, this one is going to pay you $100 for 15 minutes, and you don't even need to show in person. All you just need to do is to have a working internet connection, and you want to click on the job right here. And once you click on that, all you just need to do is start screener. So once you do that, you will be able to apply for this job right here. Okay, so basically my case is showing I've not uploaded my profile image to participate for this job. So once I upload my profile image and verify my account, I will be able to apply for this job right here. All I just need to do is spend 15 minutes and I make $100. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find value in this video, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.